Sometimes getting just what you need is really hard, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing The Answer. It's an affordable solution that takes the pain out of getting things done. So here's how it works. John is pressed for time and has a small budget. He needs to find a good deal, but he still wants great results. That's when he picks up the phone or goes online to contact us. We carefully guide John through each step of our simple and effective process. And the best part is, we get to the root of John's problem and we solve it. Thanks to our full lineup of top-notch services. Now John has exactly what he needs, and he can get back to being the man of action he was meant to be. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today.